Hi, it's Sandra, and I've got my January Mani by Me box, and I'm going to open it up and see what goodies are in here. I did see the post on the Maniology site, and the theme of it is some artist that does this kind of art. I was not familiar with the person that they were talking about, so this is like all brand new to me. So we'll see what this is like. So here's our box, and as usual, we got the two cards. One is it's Nail Art Nouveau, I think it's called. A description of the theme of the box, and that's the first card. And then the second card is an actual manicure, and they show you how to do the manicure. So those cards are kind of cool, kind of give you some ideas. And even like this around here is kind of cool how they did this purple, and they actually did the kind of like the colors, I think, that are supplied in the kit. So let's see what else we have. So we got the box with the cards. And then let's take this out. Move this out of the way. And we got a sticker. And let's look at, we got plates, and every month you get a free gift, and this month is stickers. I don't use a whole lot of stickers, but I do use them sometimes. And if you have used any stickers, you'll see that some stickers are extremely raised, and they actually show up on your nail, so they're kind of lumpy on your nail. Maniology, I have used their stickers before, and they have a tendency to be really flat. So they are nice stickers when you buy their stickers. Okay, so we got the stickers, and then we have the two plates. So this one, let's look at this one first. And this one is MXM072. So I'm going to take this off. Okay, so we've got a ton of, it's hard to see here. Let's see if we can get it a little better. Okay, got a ton of, it looks like flowers. So, and here we've got a lot of negative space on this one. And these obviously you could absolutely reverse stamp and reverse stamp these, and this is a negative space, a bunch of negative space. Very pretty flowers. Again, I think that, in my opinion, it's just that these plates are so complicated and detailed. It's going to be interesting how they show up on your nail. So we've got this plate with all the flowers. Very pretty. And then we've got MXM071. And this one is kind of cool because it's got some, like a portrait. So we've got, let's see if we can get this, there we go. So we've got a portrait of a person here, and another one here, and another one here. And then we've got a long one here, just kind of cool. And this is a lot of negative space again. And we've got little bunches of flowers. So it's got a lot of floral patterns on it. I think the faces are cool. Sometimes you want to do faces on your nails, and I think these are kind of nice. I don't know how they'll fit on my nail. We'll have to see. But they do look, they're very pretty. I have seen some people who have done nails with using the portraits, and they are very pretty. So, very nice. All right. Let's see the colors that they gave us. So the colors this month, and again, if you don't know, the Mani by Me kit is $25. There is no shipping charge. It's just $25. And you get the two plates, two polishes, stamping polishes, and you get a gift, some kind of free gift. And every month the free gift is different. So, and then if you got too many polishes and you just say, I got too many polishes, I really don't want to have any more, then you can order the Mani by Me Express Kit. And that comes with everything you see, including the free gift, except for the polishes. So this month's polishes are Renaissance and I don't know how to pronounce that word. Baroque? I'm not sure. So one is B402 and B421. So a purple and a white. Now Maniology does have, I've gotten a couple whites. Obviously their BAM white is nice, is the basic that you use for everything. And I've also got, I think it's Frozen. So, and this does not look like Frozen. It looks different. Now I just brought this in from outside. So it's probably not a good thing to use it right away, but we're going to use it right away anyway and see what happens. Okay, so let's do this white. Let's do some flowers with the white. So we'll do these lilies. It looks like lilies. So let's get a scraper and a stamper and see how these look. Yeah, this is, I don't know how to explain this color. It's definitely got a shimmer to it. It's almost, I don't know if you'd call that beige or gray. It's really a unique white. Let's see what it looks like when it's stamped. So here it is. Let's see what it looks like on here. Okay. So it's really hard to see, obviously, on the white. And even the black, let's see if I can get this in better. Even the black, it doesn't show up very well, I don't think. Well, yeah, I guess it's kind of a gold, a white gold. It's kind of a strange color. It's definitely a shimmer. So you can see it on the black. Now, if I hold this way, I can see it better coming from this angle. But it's definitely, let's see if you can see it on here. On the stamper, nope, can't see it there. It's definitely got gold glimmer in it. And in my opinion, it doesn't show up very well on either color. All right, so let's get rid of this one. And let's try the purple. Do the same image. Now it could be too because the polish is cold, so maybe, I don't know, maybe it'd be thicker if it wasn't so cold. But let's try the purple and see if we get the same result with this one. So let's do a different one. Let's do this one. I want to wipe that down. Flip this around this way. Scrape this one. All right, so even that one is, so it's got to be because it's cold, but this one is a darker, definitely a darker color. Now I'd probably blab too much and it probably won't stick on here. Nope, okay. So this one definitely is a darker color, and obviously it's going to show up good on the white, but not so much on the black. And it just so happens I have another one of Maniology's purples, and this one is called Shattered. And these are very similar. Now the Shattered one, which is this one right here, looks a little lighter and it's got a little shimmer to it. So it is a little bit different, but it's very similar in the color. So let's try this again. Let's do this faster. Let's use this stamp instead. This little stamper is honestly my most favorite stamper. If I gotta do a small image, oh, let me put this on right away. Quit blabbing. So there is the purple, and it's kind of hard to see, but you can see that it shows up well on the white, and because of it's a dark color, it doesn't show up well on the black. So let me do this one more time. I'm going to get a little bit more of an image on here. And then I'm going to try the white again. All right, so here we go. I'll put this all on the white. So there you go. So that is, it's a very pretty purple. It's dark, it's definitely cream, and it shows up well on the light color. So let's do the white again, just to make sure. But you can see this is the one that came with this month's box, and this is the one that I had. And when you stamp them, they look very, very similar. Okay, so let's do this one. Just give it a whirl again. This time I'm going to try to and stamp it quickly. So got it on there. I'm going to scrape it. Do that. I'm just going to put it over this. Yeah, it's gold. I don't know what to tell you, but it's kind of a white gold, and it just doesn't show up very, and my opinion is it just doesn't show up very well. The black, it looks, it's still not very opaque. So anyway, those are the two colors that you have with this box. So I am going to do a manicure. Right now I got my coffee manicure on, so I'm going to have to take this off. And I'm going to do a manicure, and I'm going to try and do some kind of design using those stickers. I think these stickers are very pretty. I like the gold to them. I think that the polish, the white gold polish, would probably look really pretty with the stickers on top. So we'll see what we can come up with. Okay, so I'm back, and this is the manicure that I came up with. I'm gonna put this up here and try and get this a little, oh, that's as close as I can get it. So I'm gonna put my hands up here. So I did the portrait of the gal on this one. You can see it, and I reverse stamped it. I did one of the stickers on my pinky, a couple of the stickers on my middle finger, which you can see I didn't get the bottom one exactly straight. Then I did one of the reversed the negative stamps on my index finger. And then I did another sticker on my thumb because they were huge, and I thought that would probably look cool on my thumb. So the base coat on these, my thumb, my pinky, and my middle finger, are all the white that came with the box. And then the purple is the purple that came with the box. And then the gold that I used on this one is actually hit the bottle stamping polish, and it's called Sucrose and Yet So Far. So those are the colors that I used, and obviously I used a bunch of colors on this one right here, just regular colors, and I think it turned out really pretty. I do like the stickers. The middle finger was actually the first stickers that I put on, so once I got that one on, I kind of was able to put these on a little more straight. And I think they turned out really nice, and they are, you can feel there's a little bit of bump there, but not very much. So they were very easy to apply. I think they're very pretty. And on this one, I actually cut one of them in half. And I don't know if I showed you when I first took these out, I don't know if I showed you 3 sheets or 2, but there were actually 3 that came with the kit. So you can see I used this one on my thumb, and here's the one that I actually cut in half. So I thought these were really pretty, kind of unique. I do have to say that I really like this color polish with these gold stickers. So I think it really matches really well, and I think it makes it really kind of a classy look. So the girl that I actually used was this one, and this one was on MXM 071, and then the negative space that I used was this one right here. So this is on the MXM 072. So this was kind of cool. I wanted to do the gold, keep it in the style of the gold, and the purple. It's a gold and purple and kind of white theme. So I wanted to keep it in that style, and that's what I came up with. So I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.